Hello friends, welcome to SAP Knowledge Transfer channel. Today's session is SAP MO Pipeline Procurement. This is one type of the special procurement. Before going to session, like and share my video. If you have any doubt, query, feel free to comment. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon. What is pipeline process? A pipeline material that's entered to the production process directly through pipeline. Example, oil and water will directly send it to via pipe, and then electricity it will directly supply to via cable. So there is no storage for that pipeline materials. So there is no PU purchase order, there is no goods receipt, there is no stock for the pipeline materials. We can record the consumption and pay accordingly to vendor. So let's see practically. First, for pipeline material, we need the material through material type as a pipeline. So the T code is for material creation MM01. Is industry sector mechanical. That material type should be in pipeline. You select the pipeline material, you enter. There is an other views. This is a limited view only for the pipeline material. Give OK. Plant. Okay. Only one plant. I'll create as a material name as water, unit of measurement liter, material group will create purchasing group, then a valuation class for standard valuation class for pipeline is 3000. So moving average price I will give one. System processing to creation material code. Next step is create the vendor for pipeline material. The pipe material code is created. You go to MM60 for see the material list. Create your plant code. It will show the which are the material available in our plant. Now you see the 2927 is material code. Description water. The material type is pipe. It will be created. It's available in system. So now we go to create vendor for pipeline material. T code is XK01. Give company code. Purchase organization. Account group. KVH or account group. Enter. Company created for pipeline vendor. Country India. I mention as a city Chennai. Create one more vendor. BC vendor for pipeline. Installation account I will give 1000. Custom cash management group A1. Payment terms. In purchasing data, I will select automatic evaluate GR settlement. That because of we didn't select GR based invoice because of this pipeline process. There is no invoice, no receipt. So order currency I will give an ENR. Our vendor name is ABC vendor for pipeline. Install process. The vendor is created. You want to see the vendor list. T code MKVZ. You give the purchase organization. Execute. It will show the list of vendors. Here you see that we created as a vendor ABC vendor for pipeline. Code is 70015. Next step is for creation of purchase info record. Item category as a pipeline. T code ME11. Our new vendor. We want to give the material pipeline material. So I select the material number. Our number is 2927. Here info category should be click on pipeline. Enter. Here delivery date 1. I'll give 1. Standard quantity 500 liter. So net price I will given per liter is 250 rupees. Enter. At the time of settlement to vendor, the price will be taken from the purchase info record. So now purchase info record will be generated. So here there is no GR for this pipeline process. So we can directly go to goods issue. In the consumption issue, T code is MIGO MIGO. Now select the goods issue. Here is other. Movement type is 201. Special type is silicon P. P for pipeline material. Here you click on check it. 201 P. This is a code for consumption for cost center from pipeline. This is a movement type. This is movement description. So enter. Now we given the material for pipeline material. Pipeline material is 2927. Enter. Quantity is 100. Whether here is not appear the storage location because of pipeline process there is no storage. So the storage location not appear at the time of goods issue. Plant partner is vendor. The vendor new for pipeline vendor. Give the cost center the standard cost center. Now post the goods issue. System processing. Next step is for settlement. Before the settlement, you update the condition type for the settlement. Now the goods issue are posted. Now condition type maintained for settlement. T code is MR M1. Output type KONS consignment. Enter company code and vendor select. Here select our vendor. For pipeline vendor, you click on communication. Output type LP01. You select print immediately. Save. Here condition record saved. Now we go to for settlement process. T code MRKO. MR. Here company code vendor brand your material 2927. 2927. First remove the consignment, enable pipeline. First you see the click on settlement, execute. Here vendor, there is a material document number which is posted, goods issue, how many quantity were consumed. So these are available in the settlement process. So these are the overall pipeline process. So I hope this is very helpful for us. Please like and share my video. Comment your valuable feedbacks. If you have any doubt or query, feel free to comment. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. We'll see you next class. Thank you.